Good day mga batang manduno! Welcome to Mathematics Grade 5. I am Mrs. Juvy Q. Ocampo, teacher from Mandaluyong Elementary School. I'll be discussing Quarter 1, Week 6, multiplying fraction and a whole number and another fraction. And for our objective, multiplies a fraction and a whole number and another fraction. Children, how do you find the product of a fraction and a whole number? Remember, in multiplying fraction and a whole number, write the whole number in a fraction form by writing 1 as the denominator. Multiply the numerators and the denominators. After multiplying, you should simplify the answer. So those are the steps in multiplying fraction and a whole number. Okay children, let's have example number 1. What is 3/7 of 6? Okay children, here is the solution in number 1. 3/7 times 6 is equal to n. So as we can see here, 6 is a whole number. So we can write 6 as an improper fraction by writing 1 as the denominator. 3/7 times 6 over 1. After that, we are going to multiply the numerators and the denominator. 3/7 times 6 over 1. 3 times 6 is equal to 18. And 7 times 1 is equal to 7. Look at the product 18 over 7. It is an improper fraction because the numerator 18 is higher than the denominator 7. So we need to simplify it by dividing the numerator by the denominator. 18 divided by 7 is equal to 2. 2 times 7 is equal to 14. 18 minus 14 is equal to 4. So the answer is 2 as the whole number, the numerator is the remainder which is 4, and the denominator is the divisor which is 7. So 3/7 times 6 is equal to 2 and 4/7. Now let's move on to example number 2.
4/18 times 12. So 12 here again is a whole number. We will write this as an improper fraction by writing 1 as the denominator.
Okay, let's answer number 2. 4/18 times 12 equals n. 4/18 times 12 over 1. 12 over 1 because 12 is a whole number. So we are going to make this as an improper fraction. So as we can see here, 12 and 18 has a common factor. So we are going to use the cancellation method. Cancellation makes multiplication of fraction quicker and easier. It can be used whenever there is a common factor in the numerators and the denominators. Okay, so we are going to find the common factors of 12 and 18. So by listing method, we are going to find the factors of 12 and 18. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. And 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So as we can see here, there are 3 common factors of 18 and 12. 2, 3, and 6. So now let us find the greatest common factor of 18 and 12. The greatest common factor of 18 and 12 is 6. So now we are going to use the cancellation method by dividing it by their greatest common factor. So 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3, and 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. So now we are going to write the new fractions. So 4 thirds times 2 over 1 is equal to 4 times 2 equals 8, and 3 times 1 equals 3. So as we can see, the product here is 8 over 3, which is an improper fraction. So we are going to simplify it by dividing the numerator 8 by the denominator 3. Okay, 8 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So our answer here, children, is 2 as the whole number, and the numerator is the remainder, which is 2, and the denominator is 3. So our answer is 2 and 2 thirds. Okay, children, that is how to find the product of a fraction and a whole number. Now, how do you find the product of two fractions? Remember, children, to find the product of two fractions, multiply the numerators and the denominators and simplify your answer. Look at this example. What is 3/10 of 4/5? The word of means to multiply. So we are going to multiply these fractions. Okay, children, let us look at the solution in number 3. 3/10 times 4/5 equals n. 3/10 times 4/5. Okay, as we can see in this example, there is a common factor of 4 and 10. So we can use here the cancellation method. We will write all the factors of 4 and 10. So what are the factors of 4? The factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. And how about 10? The factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. So as we can see, the factors of 4 and 10, the common factor here is 2. So the greatest common factor of 4 and 10 is 2. Now, we are going to divide this by their greatest common factor. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Okay, after that, we are going to write the new fraction. 3/5 times 2/5. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. And 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So the answer, children, is 6 over 25. Okay, let's have another example. Multiply 5/6 by 3/4. Okay, let's answer number 4. 5/6 times 3/4 equals n. So first, we are going to multiply the numerator and also multiply the denominator. 5/6 times 3/4. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. And 6 times 4 is equal to 24. So as we can see, the product 15 over 24 can be reduced to lowest term. So how can we reduce this to lowest term? Let us find the greatest common factor of 15 and 24. So let us list all the factors of 15. 1, 3, 5, and 15. And the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So let us look the greatest common factor of 15 and 24. So the greatest common factor of 15 and 24 is 3. So we will divide 15 by their greatest common factor 3. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5, and we will also divide 24 by 3. 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. Okay, 5/6 times 3/4 is equal to 5/8. Okay children, I hope you learned something from our lesson today. Thank you for watching.